Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add contributors to your repository on GitHub. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you're going to open the repository of your choice where you want to add collaborators or contributors. So as you can see here in my repository, I only have one contributor, so we're going to add more to that. Now in order for us to do that, you're just going to look over to the top right here and then you're going to select the settings tab. Now from the settings page, you're going to look over to the left side panel and then you're going to see this access section where you can find collaborators. Just click on collaborators and then you're going to first confirm your access by verifying via email. Now, once you have your email and your access verified, you're now just going to click on Add People button right here to invite collaborators. Now, from here, you're just going to search by their username, their full name, or email. Just make sure that they already have a GitHub account or that they can be found in GitHub. And that's it. Once you look at this here, once you search for the people that you want to add in, you're just going to click on Add to Repository right here, and then an invitation email will be sent to them where they would just have to click the link and agree and join your repository. And that's it. That is how you can add collaborators and contributors to your repository. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.